how to open the fuse box in the engine compartment. To open it, you can see there are two tabs over here on this side, and also you can see there is a clip on this side. To open the box, you press this tab, press it in, and at the same time you lift the box up like this. So the two tabs. To put it back on, you just engage this side, the two tabs, and this into here first, and then like this. So engage the two tabs on this side, and on this side you just push it down. So that's how to put it back. To remove it, press here, lower part, and at the same time lift the box and take it out. To put it back, engage this side the tabs here, and into this slot first, and then on this side you just put it down. So that's how to remove and install the cover of the fuse box.